Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I will explain the matrix in this video. So what is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular array of numbers enclosed within bracket. It is a rectangular array enclosed within a bracket. For example, these all are the rows and these all are the columns. It is a matrix of order 2 into 3. It means 2 columns and 3 rows. Similarly, the second example is order 3 into 3. It means 3 column 3 row. Similarly, order 2 into 2 means 2 column and 2 rows. It is a square bracket. Next, we go for the types of matrix. There have 8 types of matrix. Number 1, square matrix, column matrix, row matrix, diagonal matrix, unit matrix, symmetric matrix, null or zero matrix, and equal matrix. So these all are the types of matrix. So we I will explain the each of the matrix. So first one is the square matrix. What is the square matrix? In square matrix, in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called as square matrix. Number of column is equal to the number of rows. Number of column is equal to the number of rows. This is the order. This matrix is order 2 into 2, and similarly 3 into 3 order. Number of columns are equal to the number of rows. This is the order 3 into 3. So next we go for the column matrix. A matrix having one column. It have one column, but any number of rows is called column matrix. Any number of rows we can apply, but column will be 1. This is known as column matrix. Next, similarly, row matrix. Row matrix is a matrix having one row, but any number of column is called row matrix. In column matrix, we have to put only one column. In row matrix, we have to put only one row, but any number of columns. So the next is diagonal matrix. If in a square matrix, all elements left or right are zeros, it is called diagonal matrix. For example, a1 0 0 a1. So this is the diagonal. In this also a 0 0 0 a 0 0 a. So this one will be the diagonal. It is known as diagonal matrix. The non-zero elements are called diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all the elements are equal is called scalar matrix. Next is unit matrix. A scalar matrix in which all the principal diagonal elements are 1 is called a unit matrix. So see, diagonal are 1, so it is known as scalar matrix. Diagonals are 1, so it is known as scalar matrix. Unit matrix is also called as identity matrix. It is denoted by I, capital I. Next is symmetric matrix. A square matrix is said to be symmetric if it remains two same when rows are changed into columns and columns into rows. So see the example a1 e2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. So it will become row a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. So it is the example of symmetric matrix. Next is null or zero matrix. A matrix in which all the elements are 0 is called a null matrix. All the elements are 0. Next, last one is equal matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal provided they have the same order and corresponding elements are equal. In other words, one is exact duplicate of the other. So this is the example of equal matrix A B C D. So for example 5 2 1 4.